Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to change 2022 Nissan Sentra key battery step by step. Start by removing the physical key from the fob using the release button and a small flathead screwdriver. Pry the fob halves gently to avoid clips breaking. Remove the old CR 2032 battery and note its orientation. Insert the new CR 2032 with the plus side up, snap the case closed, and test the remote at a short distance. Locate the release button on the key fob and slide it to pull out the emergency key. Use a small flathead screwdriver to separate the two halves at the seam carefully. Avoid forcing clips to prevent damage and keep track of tiny parts. Lift out the old battery using non-metal tweezers if possible, noting the positive side orientation. Place the new CR 2032 in the same orientation and press the case closed until it clicks. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more quick car tips. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tight and stack neatly for trunk storage, perfect after a shop trip. They keep snacks fresh and prevent spills when you're handling small parts or batteries. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider grabbing a set for convenience. Now let's get back to the video. After reassembly, press each remote button to confirm signal strength and range. If the remote does not respond, recheck battery orientation and ensure contacts are clean and flat. Replace the battery again if corrosion is present or if contact springs are bent. If problems persist, try reprogramming by locking and unlocking the vehicle with the physical key or consult a dealer for diagnostic help. Always keep old batteries recycled properly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.